You asked and we listened. Salus's summer release is all about integrating new features and tweaking existing ones to make the way that you track and manage site workflows even more powerful. Say hello to what's new. This is Step by Step with Salus. Access what you need quickly and easily on Salus Desktop with our updated user interface. Navigating has never been easier with our new and improved tabular view and intuitive elements that we've applied to all the features. Certificates are now available offline for the times you're at a remote site with no internet connection. Simply click on your certificate, go to the menu bar, and download it for offline. Salus forms have become even more dynamic with the introduction of new field types in the form builder. Use the Document Select field to reference documents discussed during a safety meeting and improve the usability of your forms with a toggle field or a slider for numbers. Need to reference a website or video within a form? Simply drop a live link directly into any of your forms. Speaking of forms, we're excited to bring you live forms. Don't worry about losing your work ever again, because your forms will now save continuously and automatically every time a change is made. Sharing forms has also never been easier with simultaneous editing. Share your forms with as many workers as you want and watch them edit and sign the form in real time. You've been asking for the ability to edit forms after submission, and now you can. Company admins can choose whether to enable this feature with all post-submission edits tracked. Notifications on the Salus platform are already a powerful feature used to assign, track, and manage tasks on site. Now we've taken it one step further by introducing actions to simplify and streamline your workflow. Notifications and actions can now be created, assigned, and tracked within a form itself. Integrating this feature into your pre-existing safety forms make the workflow seamless, allowing your field workers to stay on top of actions to ensure the loop is always closed. When an action is created, it can be viewed inside the form, which also means it can be viewed by anyone who has access to the form. The worker who created the action can monitor the status outside of the form by keeping track of it through their inbox. A notification is sent to the worker assigned to the action and remains as an alert in their inbox until it's completed and the loop is closed. And as always, all actions are accessible by company admins both in their inbox as well as the Actions page on Salus Desktop. Actions can also be created and assigned outside of forms through the notification area for instant task creation, delegation, and tracking. And finally, new asset features allow you to track maintenance on your assets and automate reminders for regular maintenance, which simplifies the way you track different requirements for multiple assets. See at a glance what's required for each of your assets and receive scheduled, recurring reminders to keep you organized. Maintenance cases and reminders have easy-to-fill-in forms for you to specify the conditions of maintenance and keep your assets in order. By using these features, you can add and maintain a thorough history of work that's been performed for everything in your fleet. This summer release is jam-packed with features that round out our existing functions on the Salus platform. Take the time to explore these and watch the additional walkthroughs provided. With increased flexibility, further integrations, and more options, managing your worksite and closing the loop on workflows has never been easier.